Be a legacy builder.
As you know, this is PropertyAskEkow. We with Zibusiso Mkhwanazi, obviously running one of the biggest black advertising agencies in South Africa. What we're talking about is financial literacy and business. So at what stage in your life did you realize the significance of financial literacy?
I learned about financial literacy when I had no more money. You realize when there's no more money that actually that's not how it's done.
Yes.
Right? And it is at that rock bottom stage where you start rethinking things.
Yes.
What is a priority? Right? Now, you know, the way I think about money is that what money does, it gives you choice.
Yes.
Right? You've got, you know, if you've got more rands and cents, it just means you've got more choice.
Yes.
Right? So if you want to buy a new phone, the fewer rands you have, the smaller your choice.
Yes.
The more rands you have, the bigger your choice.
Yes.
Right? And that's the effect of money.
Yes.
Right? It's the power of choice.
Yes.
But with power comes responsibility. Great power, you know, you need great responsibility.
Yes.
Now, where we get it wrong is that, you know, we will be given great power, but we don't grow in responsibility too.
Yes.
Which is what happened to me, right?
That's
and
powerful,
so
huh?
my reflection time was exactly that, you know, in that there was a point where I was given great power, but I didn't have the responsibility that comes with it.
Wow.
Right? And that's why I was at rock bottom. So it meant that what I need to do is, before, you know, I'm given great power again, is develop great responsibility.
Yes.
While I'm at rock bottom.
Yes.
Right? So with the little I have, make better decisions with it.
How is knowing yourself have helped you shape that vision that you have?
Yeah. So I'd say it starts from a place of purpose. You know, in life, you know, there are things that, you know, seem unfortunate at times, but you actually realize with time that those are the things that actually bring us closer to our purpose in life. And for me, discovering, you know, the purpose, you know, to serve, you know, and the purpose to be a force of positive change in people's lives actually, you know, help identify myself, yes, but further to that, it helped create, you know, who I actually want to be, right? And from that center of purpose, you know, everything is built.
Yes.
You know, I built, you know, this business as example from that very center,
Yes.
right? In that it must be a force of positive change.
Yes.
Now, this is infused in our culture, this is infused in our people. So whatever I do, right, and whatever I touch is got that one center.
How has the journey been like?
Look, it is never an easy journey. You know, mine started at a very early age. You know, well, this business here started when I was 17 years old.
Yes.
Right. So you can imagine coming from a township, and you know, you're going to meetings in taxis. You don't have a suit. You don't have anything. Right. All you have is just a dream. You know, but I think the most important thing in this journey that I discovered is that, you know, when you've got a goal and destination, right, keep your eyes set on that.
Yes.
Because once you lose focus on that, then you'll start noticing exactly how many mountains there are.
Yes.
And you'll start counting them every single day.
What is the one challenge that you had to overcome to get your business to this level? You know, at this magnitude that it is today?
It was definitely a mindset shift. When you've got a goal of making money, that's not actually a goal. The money has to follow something.
The vision,
you know?
the purpose.
That's right.
Yes.
I'll tell you this, Echo. So with that goal, I did make some money.
Yes.
But I lost it as fast as I made it.
Yes.
Right? Because I made it without purpose.
Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.